All right, if you have the Samsung S25 and you're looking for like a more tactical, like really heavy duty case, this comes in from a sub case. It's the Unicorn Beetle Pro. You can see it comes with a few things and a few ways to use it, but let's just go ahead and take this part out right here, and you can put our phone in. So we're gonna, there's like a silicone back to it, which is really nice, and also has a kickstand to it, which we'll come back to that. But it's just kind of rubbery, but you know, it'll be very well protected. You have a film on the top that you can use. So if you want to add extra protection and it still works with your fingerprint scanner, you have the film on the top, so you can pop that in when you're putting your phone in, or it gives you the option to not use that. So if you didn't want to use the film, you can just put your phone in like so, and then you're going to pop your phone in here, and that actually gives it even more strength and protection around the sides because of that case right there. So really nice and just kind of sleek looking. And then yeah, you have a flap here to protect your USB-C port, and you just pull this part out like this, and it turns into a little kickstand, so you can watch videos, whether it is landscape or in vertical mode, and then you can pop it down, it snaps into place. So they also have this right here, which is a belt pack where you can clip it onto your belt whichever way you want, because this spins around. And they recommend, especially if you're somewhere where accidents can happen, they say to put your screen in first like that, and there is like this little felt down here to protect your screen. So you'd put your screen in first and then you clip it on. That way it's nice and safe. Or if you wanted to have the screen out, you can also do it that way as well. So really nice design, and very, very protected. This is going to be like just very well protected if you're like in a construction zone or somewhere where things could smash your phone. This is going to be a great way to do that, especially with the protective film. So all in all, really great product, highly recommend it, and thanks for watching.